on, Breezy Gang? So it literally has been a while since I've uploaded a video. When I say a while, meaning kind of skipped a week.
Jesus Christ.
So I'm a week late. Reason being because, you know, your boy's been a little busy.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
If you know what I mean.
What did you say, nigga?
Update, what's been happening. Dropped her at the airport yesterday. I'm gonna see her again in the next 3 weeks again, so she's gonna come back up. But anyways, this video, I'm gonna be talking about Robinhood. I'm new to Robinhood. Well, not new, fairly new. I'll say like a year into Robinhood, so I'm kind of a noob. Was experimenting with it. This video, just a quick, I guess you would say, tutorial on using Robinhood, the features, what to expect as a brand new person using the Robinhood platform for the first time. In the beginning, I was just trying it out. Transferred about $50 to test it out, and then I transferred some more money. I got into trading options, bought a couple stocks. I lost some money. Yeah, I did make some money, and I also lost money. There was this one stock that really made me lose money and made me kind of question if I should continue using Robinhood. So it was Grow Generation. I lost like $1,000.
Oh my god!
Trading options with Grow Generation. It took this huge peak going up, and then it just started going down. And I was like, crap. And I lost $1,000.
Stupid!
And $1,000 is a lot of money to just throw away in Robinhood. I ended up making all that money back. Thank God. I'm actually not at a loss with Robinhood. I took a break off of trading options because it's a little risky. You're basically gambling 50-50 if a stock is gonna go up or down. So you may be 50% right, or you may be 50% wrong. So yeah, took a break off of that. I'm doing it a little bit, but not too crazy. What I was getting into mostly buying stocks that pay out dividends. Believe it or not, guys, like you could actually make a living in earning a residual dividend every single month, week, whatever the payout is. And there are people that literally they could live off of dividends, and they take in like maybe crazy enough $5,000 a month, $1,000 a month at least. It just depends on how much you're willing to invest, because that's what you got to do. You got to have the capital to invest in a company for them to pay out a certain percentage of dividends back to you. If you can work it out, let's say for example you invest $1 million.
What?
Not to say that everyone has $1 million, but let's say you had $1 million and you invested in maybe not one company, but multiple companies all put together. Averaging amount is $1 million, and they all of them together pay out a 10% dividend ratio, looking at $100,000 a month payout in dividends. If the payout is per month, that's $100,000 you can a month you're living off of, if you're disciplined enough to invest in dividends and just have a payout like that. If you live below your means, meaning you're acting like you are making that a month and you're not spending more than what you actually need on a salary of $100,000 a month. Guys, you can actually make a living if you invest in the right companies that pay out good dividends. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you my portfolio. It's nothing great. It's pretty much a beginner portfolio or beginner account. I'm just gonna show you right here. See what I've been doing, the dividends that I'm getting paid back with, the companies I've invested in, which is not a lot. I do a little money here, a little money there in different companies, and they pay out dividends every single month. What did, however, make me make back my money with Grow Generation when I said I lost $1,000 was Bitcoin. It's a cryptocurrency. That was the main one, obviously. I invested $300 and it skyrocketed over time. You've been hearing the news or the blogs or whatever. Bitcoin basically 5x'd in just about 2-3 months. I was lucky enough to get in early. I only put $300 and now I'm at a profit of I'll say 1,300. That's over $1,000 extra in my pocket. So that literally made me make back my money. So I'm now at a positive, not a deficit like I was when I was trading options. Trading options is good too. Risky, but you can make money. I've made money, yes, until Grow Generation basically me up. So I'm gonna show you right now, and this is what it looks like basically. So would you look at that? I just changed my clothes. Boom.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Let's just hop right into the video. I'm gonna pull up Robinhood right now. Yeah, so basically, as you can see here, it's I'm just only investing around 2,000, over 2,000 right now. Let's see. So far, all time, I've profited $495, so I'm not at a loss, which is good. And I actually use my stimulus check and put it into Robinhood. The first stimulus check was $1,200. I actually just put all of it into Robinhood, and now I'm at, and I also added another 800. So out of my money, it's about 1,800. So right now it's 2,400. So yes, I'm at a profit, about average. So basically, this is how Robinhood is. These are the couple of stocks that I'm invested in that pay out dividends. You have AT&T, Target, Walmart, Comcast. You see, I just have a little bit of shares of each. I'm not going crazy with them. Over time, I add a little bit here, like a $10 here, $20 there, and just build my portfolio. There's Microsoft. Neo is not a payout, doesn't pay out dividends, but I got in because it was going up. So I got in at 21. I pulled some money out. I did profit a little bit. I pulled some of the money out, but I kept a little bit in. And now it's at 55.50. I got in at 21.88 cents, and total profit, I profited more, but because I pulled out some. But so far it's an extra $16, so that's cool. There's Mac, Stag, McDonald's right there, iShares, IVW, Bank of America, Apple, Oracle. These are all the stocks that I'm invested in that's paying out dividends to me. 5G, AbbVie, Pfizer, you know, these vaccine. I'm at a loss with Pfizer because it's not all that good. So I'm at a $4 loss, which is virtually nothing. I'm only investing about $45, and it's paying me dividends right now. See a pending dividend that's gonna come in 51 cents. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my the dividend portfolio soon. Nasdaq, Visa, Nike, Disney, Coca-Cola, AMC. And you know, you heard in the news how AMC and GameStop was going crazy up, so I decided to say, hey, they pay out dividends, let me just get a little piece of the pie. It went down now, so I think I'm at a loss with AMC and GameStop. Yeah, $15 loss. Yeah, because I got in at $9.41 and now it's at $5.75. So yeah, it doesn't matter because I'll be getting paid out dividends, so I'm just gonna hold on to it a little bit, and if it goes down, I might buy in some more. It's down now, so I might just put in some more money and kind of average out the average cost to kind of get me back afloat, hopefully. There's GameStop, LMT, and QCOM. So like I mentioned, Bitcoin is what got me to get back my money. So this is what Bitcoin is at, right? Oh my gosh, it's at 57,000. The last time I checked, which was like yesterday or 2 days ago, it was at 54,000. Bitcoin is whoop going up crazy. But yeah, so basically I pulled some money out too. I put a little bit. I pulled like $300, which is not a lot, but actually put in like 600, and I pulled out 300. So now I'm at as you see, total return 1300 is actually total return, a little bit more because I pulled some money out. But yeah, that's what brought me right back up. And I started to get into some other cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin. Hearing some news that it's gonna go crazy. I bought 1,400 worth of Dogecoin. I would love to see that get to at least $1. I'm hearing it's gonna do that eventually, but yeah, that would be a good profit right there. Right now, so far, I only invested like around $70 into Dogecoin, which is not a lot. So now I have a total return of $8.88. So I'm profiting there. And I got a little bit of Ethereum cryptocurrency. I did around $50 invested. Now I'm profiting at $9.90. So that's another one that I hear is gonna go up. So that's what I'm doing with the cryptocurrency. That's what I'm currently doing right now with Robinhood. So just a quick tutorial. By the way, guys, for free stock, you could sign up. If you're not a member of Robinhood, you could sign up and get free stocks with this link right here. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Free stock at the top. I'm gonna attach the link, so you get free stocks and I get free stocks as well. So as you can see, my buying power is about $67. I may put some more money in. Right now I'm just chilling right now, just putting a little bit here and there. So today, as you can see, I'm up by $23, and live, let's see, in the past hour I was down by about $2. So that fluctuates all the time because of the cryptocurrency market. That goes up and down all the time. So yep, let's jump into the dividends and see what I'm getting paid in dividends. It's not a lot, like I said. As you can see, I only have a little bit of each shares. I'm gonna continue to build my portfolio on dividends, and I may or may not get back into trading options because it's, like I said, it was risky. I just gotta be more familiar with the market, which I am not. I'm a beginner, just like whoever is a beginner watching this right now. So over time we'll see, but let's go into dividends. So far, these are my dividends that are paying me out like every month, every couple weeks basically. So just see, as you can see, it's a couple cents, 8 cents, 6 cents, 2 cents, 2 cents, 9 cents, but that builds up over time. And remember, the more you invest, the higher return the payout is. So as you can see, these are a little bit, couple cents. If I were to invest more into these companies, they would pay out more in dividends. So yep, this is it. This is just a quick little video. So let's see, I'm getting paid December, January, coming into February, and it's gonna be continuously doing that depending on how much I hold in these companies. See, so far March 1st is coming up. I'm gonna be paid 7 cents from Visa. Pfizer is paying me 51 cents in March the 5th. Target is paying me 7 cents on the 10th, and Microsoft is going to be paying me 4 cents on the 11th. So throughout the month, yeah, I get these notifications that I'm getting paid dividends past 30 days. A couple dividends right there. That's pretty much it, guys. There's not really much to talk about as far as showing you what Robinhood is all about. Actually, there is, but I'm not going to get into that because I myself is not doing everything here. What I'm going to talk about though is trading options. I'll show you briefly what it's like and what I've done. But basically here you can become a gold member or a premium member, whatever Robinhood calls it, where you pay $5, I believe, a month, and you have access to a chunk of funds ahead of time. So for example, they would give you access to about $5,000 because you have a gold membership, meaning they'll give you $5,000 up front. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to wait to have it transferred from your bank account, which would take a couple business days. You can have it right away if you're a gold member. So you just pay $5 a month, and Robinhood will give you like $5,000 right away, like instantly. So you could start trading. You can start buying these stocks and kind of get ahead of the game when it comes to, you know, the peaks and the dips as well. So let's get into trading options. Let's give you an example. Let's see. I'm going to look at, you know, with Pfizer and these vaccines. Let's just jump into Pfizer and see what's going on. Pfizer. And if I decide to trade options with Pfizer, see trade options, and I'm going to choose, what's today's date? The 21st. Let's say the March 5th. If I decide to buy a call or sell a put, now I'm going to be talking a different language to people that don't know what I'm talking about. But I could buy a call at 34 strike price. The current share price is $34.44. So if I decide to buy a call at a $34 strike price, meaning I'm signing a contract that at the end of this contract, which expires March 5th, I'm going to be buying 100 shares of Pfizer at $34 per share. And the cost of that, to the right you see 52 cents. The cost would be 52 cents per share. And remember, I'm buying 100 shares, so the cost would be about $52. $52 to buy 100 share contracts. Yeah, I just spoke a different language. Hopefully you understand. But do some more research if you guys don't know what I'm talking about. There are tutorials, better tutorials than this, about trading options and buying calls, selling puts, buying calls, all that stuff. It's a good way to make a quick cash. You can make $100 just like that in a day. You can make $200. You can make, depending on the company or the shares, you can make $1,000 just like that. It's really risky. You can lose $1,000. You can lose $100 just like that. You just gotta do the research. You gotta be prepared for the market, and keep up with the news, the blogs of these companies and all that stuff. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video off. It was quick. I know I didn't make a video last week because, like I said, I was busy. Yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. It's not a lot, it's not much. I am a noob. This tutorial is a noob kind of tutorial of Robinhood because I'm a newbie. So guys, don't flame. I'm just new to this thing. I'm new to YouTube as well. Like it up, subscribe so you can get some content every single week. I'll catch you guys next week. Peace out.
I've been holding on, don't know why. Love's not for everyone, but I still try. I've been holding on, don't know why. Love's not for everyone, but I still try. Yeah, baby, what you talking about? Don't know how to act. Looking at your phone, but you won't hit me back. I'm not getting rest till I get you in my bed. I'm not asking much, baby, just give me respect. I ain't giving you a follow, I ain't giving you a check. You want the Chanel, but ain't putting work for that. Come on, baby, show me what you got, bring it back. Drinking and smoking, I know you love to do that. Yeah, I'm reckless, I'm dumb, according to you, but you don't know shit, huh? You don't know how I move.